Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Honda Ridgeline. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.